Alright guys, here is the Nicole diary set that I purchased on Amazon. You have 5 neutral colors and then you have 5 steps attached. So let's get into this video. Here guys, I have all my utensils that I'll be using to prep my nails before I apply anything else. And a plate here to catch any excess product. At this point, I'm just using a little bit of alcohol on a cotton ball, and I am cleaning my nails of any oil or dirt that may have been on there so that I can have a nice clean palette. Now I have to file my nails. They are atrocious since this quarantine. I have been so fearful of getting my nails. So I'm going to kind of do this off camera because it needs a lot of work. And I'm just buffing the top so that the product can adhere easily. And at this point, the activator, that was supposed to come with it is not here. It's completely empty, dry, nothing. So I'm really perturbed at this point. What's going on? So at that point in the video, I couldn't use the set. I had to go the next day because I was filming that at night and get the kiss set. And you know, I was just very perturbed. This video is very choppy because I'm filming it in different days, but you know, come on, like, have your stuff together when you're sending your products. So that is numero uno. Hands down, do not get this set. That's just my opinion. All right, let's continue with the video. All right, so here I'm just pushing back my cuticles. Again, you just have to prep your nails. And here on the right, I brought my own clear powder to serve as a coat between the color and my nail so that my nail doesn't get stained. And this is the neutral color here. Again, this doesn't have any instructions, so this is not beginner friendly. You don't know what is what. So yeah, but the color is pretty, very nice. So now I am just putting the base on my nails here. And now I'm applying the bond. Now this bond, look at the left side. Well, you can't see it now, but watch when the brush hits my finger. You're gonna see like string cheese almost between the brush and the product. Horrible. This stuff was clunky. If you see that little string between the brush and my nail, if this goes on clunky, your powder's going to go on clunky. So definitely another con. Was not happy with that. So here I'm just dipping the clear on my nail, tapping the excess off, and then I brush. And you just keep repeating that same cycle. At this point, this has really made my experience very depressing because I'm fighting with the product and it's just going, look at that, it's going on so thick. So now I have the clear on, and yeah, after fighting, I finally got the clear on, so I'm happy that part is over and done with. But again, look at this product, how thick it is. It's going on so thick, and it's like this string, and it's just not helping for the powder to lay smoothly at all. I did get some on the side of my hand, so make sure you clean that because wherever there's product, that's where the powder is going to be. So you want to make sure it's off the edges, and the color's pretty. I like it. I love the color. The powders are to die for. So there might be a way you can just get powder from the Nicole diary. I would recommend that, and getting your own base and bond and things of that nature. But the powder is really pretty. Guys, you know, in between me videotaping this damn video, there was no activator. So they are definitely getting 1 star for that. Miss Nicole Diary, no activator. So I had to go out and get a whole kit, the Kiss kit, which I might actually do a video on this. I highly recommend it. I love what's inside. So I just had to get the whole kit. So I had to spend an extra $11 just to get a bottle activator. But I like the color in here. It's a nice light pink. So I will come to you guys with another video. So to be continued. It's a whole nother day. I couldn't film. So yeah, that was not cool. All right, without further ado, watch me do my nails. So I got all my nails done. It's very clunky, so I have to really go in and file like nobody's business. But first I am applying my activator, yeah, that I got from the Kiss set, which I love, guys. This Kiss set, honey, for y'all beginners, y'all better get this Kiss set. It is to die for. So I'm applying the activator. This just takes out the moisture and dehydrates the nail so that, you know, you can get it nice and hard and you can really file those nails the way you want. That's where all the work comes in. So yeah, you really needed this product. And I am filing these babies away. I totally forgot that the emery board in the Kiss set was, oh my gosh, nice and wide, hard. I know they go by numbers. I'm not really sure how that goes, but it was what I needed. And here's the finished product. All right, guys, so let's get into this Nicole Diary dipping powder set kit that I got from Amazon. The pros. The powder itself is really nice. It's very fine. It's like matte. I love it. It's very, very fine. It's not too thick. But there's a lot of cons. Number one, it took 3 months for me to get my set. They're gonna tell you 3 to 5 weeks. That's a damn lie. It came longer than that. I ordered it in March and it just came July. Okay. Also, the colors are all neutral, but they all are very similar. Like they're too similar, almost looking like duplicates. So that's something I do not like. They could have been neutral, but varied in neutral colors. Also, there weren't any instructions that came with it. So it just had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You don't know what it's for, how many coats you're putting it on. Do you put I don't know. It just didn't have any instructions. And most importantly, the activator was empty. So I had to go out and buy a Kiss set, which I absolutely love the Kiss set. Who would have known? I paid, I believe, almost $40. I will put the link with the price below to be exact. And the Kiss dipping powder was $11. Pink color. It had the nice hard emery board that you needed. It actually had the little piece that you stick your finger in, as you guys saw in the video, to dip your finger in, or you could sprinkle the powder on top. You could do it however you want. But for $11, I would go with the Kiss set. That, again, the Nicole Diary, boo. Don't waste your money. Don't even do it. Don't waste your money. Don't do it. Period. All right, I will post a link below for the Kiss set. I will post a link for the Nicole Diary, just so you guys know what I'm talking about. It's totally up to you. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Once again, I'm always coming to you guys with budget-friendly tips, how to live a royal life on a budget. Get that Kiss dipping powder set, guys. 11 bucks. Check it out. Check it out. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Be royal, be blessed. Bye.